In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim Galaxy points. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Galxe.com and then you want to click on Launch App top right. After you do this, you will have to create an account or just sign into your account if you have one already. And then from here, you can do two things. You can either click or hover over the Earn button up here and click on Galaxy Rewards Hub, or you can go over here to the right where you can see your profile icon and then click on Galaxy Rewards Hub over here. Now, the points on Galxe are actually called Galaxy Gold, and these are these things over here. You can see your balance at any time over here. And then if you essentially want to just claim your points, you want to come over here to the Rewards Hub, and then you can do one of the following things. So here you can see you can complete these quests. So if you mint the passport V2, you can get 100. If you mint score, you can get 100 as well. And then if you deposit at least 500 in smart savings, you can get 100 of these gold points as well. Now here at the bottom, you can see you can also invite different people. So if you invite one person, you will earn 80 of these gold points over here. And you can also, of course, explore more quests as well. And by doing these quests, you will get a reward of essentially a specific amount of these points. Okay, so this is essentially the way to claim Galaxy points on here on their website. And that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.